To turn on or turn off item loaded sound effect when voiceover is on in iPhone 14 Pro, open settings, tap settings to open, and then scroll down the screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility, select voiceover, and then scroll down, tap audio, and then select sounds and haptics. Scroll down sounds and haptics screen, find loaded item loaded, and then tap item loaded. On sound, tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn off item load sound effect when voiceover is on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.